Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I want to walk you through a song, Simple Plan, Perfect. So this was just a great era time for things like this to come out. So this is one of those songs, and the video is just great. They're standing on this rooftop doing their thing, getting down. Awesome song. So thought I would share it with you. I haven't seen a lot of videos on it. So this is the acoustic version, but also you can play right along to the track. All you need is your capo on the first fret. It's going to put you in key with the album, and you can play right along with it. So yeah, let's take a look and see how this song is constructed. All right, so with this song, we only have a few different sections we need to go through, as most songs are arranged. So we're going to start off with the intro. The intro is going to be a two-part intro, so it's going to be like an intro and then a progression into the verse. So we'll go through that as we get there. Then we have the verse and a pre-chorus that we're going to go through, and then the chorus, and then the bridge. So first off, we'll go ahead and walk through the intro. So what we're going to need is two chords for pretty much the intro and the verses, made up of two chords, D and G. So, and as always, I'm using just these two fingers for D, and my hand's already ready for the G, so I never play the full. Anyways, okay, so we're gonna need D and G. Okay, so starting off, what this is gonna sound like, I'll go ahead and give you a quick example. So that's what we're looking to do. Okay, we're gonna start off on D, and what I'm doing is just picking up that ring finger. That's it. So, and then before we switch to the G, and then we're adding our index finger on the second fret down here. So after we play that G, then we start that over. So that's going to sound like this again. All right, so for the intro, we do that twice, and it's going to change just a tiny bit at the very end of this. So it goes. So we're going to add that, and all I'm doing is so. My finger's already there, so it's okay. I hope you can see that. So okay, we're gonna go ahead and play it just so you can hear it again. And that is the intro. So the first time, so that whole thing's played twice. The first time you play it without that little sprinkle into the G. So we're gonna go. Second time goes like this. And that is it for the intro. Then the whole group sort of would come in at this point, and this comes in right before the vocals. So this is the second part of the intro. So it's going to go into a. Okay, so play that twice, just again. So intro goes into that, and I'll put those two together and show you how that's going to sound. So then for the verse, we go right into the verse from there. Again, it's just the same two chords, G and D. So we got D, where we start, to G. So what we do he sings over it. So it's, hey, Dad, look at me. Think back and talk to me. Did I grow up according to plan? And do you think I'm wasting my time doing things I want to do, where it hurts when you disapprove all along? Okay, so the only difference between pretty much that intro, he's just strumming full out. When it goes into the vocals, same pattern, but now we're just picking individual notes. So and he's singing over it. So it's pretty much the root note. And then the strumming. And that's going to bring us into the pre-chorus. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the verse into that pre-chorus so you can hear how the change goes, and then I'll walk you through it. So okay, so let's walk through what we did there. I'm mumbling the words for you. Again, I don't sing, but I want you to have a feel of how the song goes. So for the pre-chorus, we're going to need E minor. That's going to go into a G. That's going to go into a D for 2 measures. So we're going to do that twice. Okay, so then we go E minor. Hard to make it, I just want to make you proud. Never gonna be good enough for you. Can't pretend that I'm alright. Nothing's alright. So the second part of that is going to be E minor to G. And that G is going to be played twice as long. Into the chorus from there. So that's going to lead us right into the chorus. And the chorus is played pretty much just single strum. So it goes into D. Nothing A lasts forever. To B minor. Sorry, can't be. To G. Perfect. Now it's just too late. Going to lead us right back into the intro lick. Back into verse 2. Not to think about the pain I feel inside. Did you know you used to be my hero? Days you spent So yeah, that is pretty much how that's all going to go together. So from there, it goes into a bridge, not too hard, but so that last G out of the chorus is going to start to build up. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. go into an A to B minor, back to A, back to A. So pretty much, yeah, it's going to go back and forth between A and B minor. So it's nothing's gonna change the things that you said. Nothing's gonna make this right again. Please don't turn your back. I can't believe it's hard just to talk to you. Okay, so the fourth time, it doesn't go to the B. We're gonna go to G. But you don't understand. And then it's going to do sort of like the intro. It just goes into this. And then when we get to the G, we're rocking out again. And we're strumming the chorus. So yeah, that is how that song's played, start to finish, each and every part. So it is a great song. As always, I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, just to help me keep this going. So I love doing this, and I want to keep bringing you tutorials on how I feel and play these songs. So a lot of times I'm just listening to the song, playing it over and over again, coming up with my version that I want to give to you. So I'm not necessarily looking up other people and how they play it. This is what I come up with a lot of the time. So not to say I don't collaborate or don't watch other people in their videos, because I do admire and appreciate everybody that puts time and effort into this. So a lot of it for me though is I get a lot of joy out of just playing along to the song and bringing you the renditions that I do. So 9 times out of 10, they're always going to play it in key, so you can play along to the radio version. So I don't really differ from that or make it my own. I just sort of put it to the acoustic guitar how I hear it. So that's one of the things I like to do, and I'm glad that I can share that with you guys. So please like and subscribe so I can keep that going. So as always, thanks for tuning in.